welcome to my video today. I am so excited to share with you guys the Spring Fling paper party that's coming up, featuring all of the new designer paper from the mini catalog that goes live in January. I do this with every catalog. I do a paper share, which means I order all of the paper from the catalog. I cut it into quarter packs, so it's 6 by 6. It's this nice, easy size. You get a quarter pack of each set of designer paper, and then you can take a look at it and decide if you like it and if you want to commit to buying it in the 12 by 12 packs. This is a great way to see the paper up close and personal. Sometimes what you think you might like when you see it in the catalog, you get it and maybe it's not exactly what you thought it was. That's totally happened to me before. So I have a paper share that I do, and this one is called the Spring Fling Paper Party. And I'm going to show you guys all of the paper in a bit of a better view in just a minute. But the Spring Fling Paper Party is just the paper share, and then it is this really fun night of crafting that we get to do together. You sign up and you get the paper, so you're going to get 7 brand new papers if you just choose the paper option. So you'll get the 7 packs of paper. These are all of the brand new papers in the catalog. And this is the poppy, the perfect poppies. So let me take you down here and let me show you all of the papers, and we'll walk through them and I'll tell you all the details of the Spring Fling paper party. Let's start with the beautiful perfect poppies paper, since that's the one I was just showing you. With the Spring Fling paper party, what you do is you sign up. You can just do option 1, which is to just get all of the designer paper. When you do that, you get to be a part of the paper party, which is a live Facebook party with myself and my friend Wendy Cranford. We do this together. We come and hang out with you guys, and we do some projects. We have challenges and giveaways, and with each set of designer paper, you are going to get a card kit. So you will be able to make a card right away with your designer paper. You get all of the pieces and an envelope to make your card. So it all comes right to you, all packaged up. You open it up and you get to make a card. We do recorded videos, pre-recorded videos, so that you can make the cards and you don't have to feel pressured at doing it right away. You get a PDF that will look similar to this. It will have the color combo and all of the paper information, and then you'll have measurements for that particular card and a photo of the card that we do. And then you will get the pre-recorded videos. In our paper party that we do challenges, we chit-chat, we hang out. Wendy and I do some crafting. It is really fun to just come together and hang out and craft. And we offer tips and tricks for the new catalog. We give away 2 full bundles of product. And then we have door prizes and different prizes that we do throughout the night. When you get your party pack from me, you will have all of the paper. You will have a couple pillow gifts, which are some fun product from the new catalog. So that's always fun to receive that packet and see those gifts and the new product. So here is the best dressed designer paper, which is beautiful. Has this really pretty designs of the lipstick and the florals. I didn't think I would like this, but when I got it in person and I saw the beautiful florals, I really like this paper, and we'll be getting more of it. We have a option 2, which is to get 2 bundles of product. So that is a stamp set and either a punch set or a die set. And when you get those 2 bundles, those are the bundles that we will be making all of the cards with. So you'll be able to follow along exactly with us. Then you will also get 2 sets of exclusive designer paper from the Celebration catalog. These are the 2 that are exclusive. When you get that second option, you will get card kits for these paper packs, and then you get the paper. So both of these are in the Celebration catalog. So that is fun to be able to get those. This is the Tropical Oasis designer paper. This is probably one of my favorites. I think it's going to be great for spring and summer. I love it. I love the pineapples. So cute. So there are 7 total new designer papers in the catalog. I have 6 here. I am missing 1 set. Oh, right here. Here is the... This is, I forget what this is called, but this has beautiful foiling on it, silver foiling. Again, this was not a set I really wanted when I looked in the catalog, but then when I got it and I saw this floral pattern with the foil on it, and this one, it's just gorgeous. And then it has this with the Eiffel Tower, and that is foiled. So for the paper party, you get all 7 brand new papers here. They're gorgeous. And then you will get card kits to go with each of these, pre-recorded videos, and the PDF right away, right out the door, and you're entered in to the giveaway for the 2 bundles that we give away in the party. We have a Facebook group where we hang out, and that is where the live party happens. You are able to stay in that group no matter if you can't make the night that we're live. It's totally fine. That group stays up, and you can interact in that group and catch the videos after when you're able to. And then with the second option, when you get the product that goes with the card kits, you will get these 2 exclusive paper packs from the Celebration catalog along with card kits for these. So if you have any questions, please let me know. There is a link to sign up in the YouTube description below. You sign up and then you are invoiced at the end of December. So you will be invoiced, and then I will get all the product ordered and prepped and sent out to you right away. So make sure you click on the link below and sign up and join us for this amazing Spring Fling paper party. I cannot wait to hang out and craft with you guys. It has been so much fun, the last 2 that Wendy and I have done. And this one is going to be our best yet. We have some really amazing pillow gifts that will be included in your packet, in your party packet that we've worked out, which is so much fun. And the product in this upcoming catalog is beautiful. So don't miss out on this. I can't wait to hang out with you guys. And I will be back to share with you later this week. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.